Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with permissions and diagnosis. That matters. Open Chrome and go straight to Settings, then Privacy and Security. This lets you see site permissions and secure DNS. While you're there, check existing extensions, some block content. If you have admin rights, note network controls on the device. If not, plan to use permitted options like browser proxies or alternate DNS. Once done, you'll know whether to change Chrome settings, use an extension, or adjust system-level DNS to reach the blocked site. Once you've identified the block type, change DNS or enable a proxy. Change system DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in network adapter or router settings. This bypasses simple DNS filtering. Alternatively, install a trusted VPN or proxy extension in Chrome. Make sure the extension is enabled and has necessary permissions. If an extension caused the block, disable them one by one to find the culprit. Make sure to restart Chrome after changes. This forces DNS refresh and extension reinitialization, so the new finish by verifying access and cleaning temporary data. Clear cache and cookies, then flush DNS so older blocked records aren't cached. Open an incognito window to test without extensions. If the site loads, re-enable extensions selectively. If the block persists across networks, it's likely a policy or server-level block. Contact the network admin or use a personal mobile hotspot to confirm. One troubleshooting tip: if Chrome still blocks, check Windows or router parental controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.